In this video, you'll learn the numbers in Spanish. On the sheet provided, you'll need to copy down the spellings of all of the numbers. As you're copying the numbers down, also repeat the pronunciation. Once you notice the pattern in the way that numbers work in Spanish, you should be able to complete the numbers that I skip during the presentation. Here we go. We'll start with the number 0. Cero. Uno. Uno. Dos. Dos. Tres. Tres. Cuatro. Cuatro. Cinco. Cinco. Seis. Seis. Siete. Siete. Ocho. Ocho. Nueve. Nueve. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. Notice how there's an I in most of these teen numbers. Y in Spanish means and. So we're literally saying 10, which is 10, and 9, 9, 10 and 9. The rest of the numbers follow a similar pattern, but slightly different. 20. 20. 21. So we have 20 and 1. 21. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. Should be noticing a pattern by now. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. 30. Here the pattern becomes slightly different. Instead of mushing it all together as one word, like 29, we're still going to have a similar pattern with 20 and 9, but this time from here on out the words are separated. Like 31 will be 30 y 1. 30 and 1. 31. 31. 32. 32. 33. And I'm sure you can guess what 34 and 35 and 36, it's all following the same pattern. 34, 35, 30, oh, I skipped 36, but you know the rest. Here is 40, 40, and it's going to follow the exact same pattern. So I'll go back. We'll have 41, 42, 44, and so on, all the way until we get to 50. 51, 52, all 3 words each. Then when we get to 59, the next number would be 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. 100. To go past 100, you might think the pattern would be 100 y 1, but it's slightly different. Instead of y 1, we say 101. The to kind of takes the place of the e, so we have 101. 101. We go from 100 to 101, and see if you can guess what the next number would be. 102. 102. And the pattern continues on and on and on. 103, 104. Here's another example. 110. Beyond that, we'd have 111, 112, etc. The next slide is going to be a practice slide. If you don't feel completely comfortable yet, maybe go back, watch the video one more time before going on to the practice. Otherwise, continue on. Here is some practice. Now is the time to pause the video and try numbers 1 through 4. These are each a sequence of numbers. Once you figure out the pattern, you should know the number that goes in the blank. Once you're ready to check your answers, press play. Number 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Number 2. 5, 10, 15, 20. Number 3. 10, 20, 30, 40. Number 4, 22, 33, 44. Tomorrow you'll be expected to demonstrate that you absorbed this knowledge by being able to read the numbers in Spanish. That doesn't mean you'll have to know how to spell the numbers. You'll just be given a number, for example, 15. If you can tell us that that is the number 15 in English, that's all you'll be expected to do for now. Later we'll learn how to spell the numbers and memorize how to spell them. Good luck!